One man. One man more disgusting, revolting than any other. One man who truly no sane human being on the earth can stand. That man, fillies and gentle colts, is before you tonight. He is Elia White.
What you dying for? So fun. Van Weaver, where are you? There you are.